Hello and welcome to the basic setup and running of the ShopBot in Aspire and using the ShopBot driver. Today we're going to start in Aspire. Aspire 8.0 is what we currently have, and I have a quick link down here on the bottom. When you bring this first up, you're going to go in here to create new file. If you've already got a file in existence, you can open that. When we create new file, the first thing that we are going to do is we need to set our dimensions, and these are the dimensions in which you are going to cut. On the machine, the computer is currently sitting in the same orientation as the machine, but you always want to double check that. What is your X, what is your Y, and what is your Z? Even though X says width, it may be the length of your board, and in this case, we're going to make that 16 inches. It is the exact inches of whatever you're cutting. We're going to be doing a juice groove on a cutting board today, and so my width of my board is going to be 12 inches, and my thickness in this case is going to be, we got it right at 3/4 inch, and so we're going to go 0.75. Now on our particular machine, we also have this use offset. For right now, we're going to keep that checked. That means once we've got the machine where we want it, this is how far the new zero actually is from the old zero, and all those terms we'll go over here shortly. That is something to keep in mind though when we're moving things here in just a minute. If we do any custom work, that offset's important. Once we've got that, we hit OK. And as soon as we hit OK, we now have a working surface. Okay, so since this is the actual size of our cutting board, we need to create some shapes, and all our shapes are sitting here. We have line draws and circles and arcs, and then we have other things that we can do down here where we put chamfers and fillets and all sorts of things on here. And so first thing I want to do is I'm going to collect the rectangle, and there's a couple ways to do this, but the easiest way, if you mouse over this corner, you'll see it change like that right there. I'm going to click, drag all the way down to the other one until it changes, and let go. I have now created a rectangle. This pink now is highlighted, a rectangle that is the exact size of my board. Now that we have this selected, we have a couple options, and I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. One of those is to create our fillets now, and this would be as if you rounded the corners of your board. And let's say I used a circle template, and I made the radius, or I made the diameter. I used the 1 1/4 inch diameter fillet. I can now go to each corner and create that round. Okay. This is just one way to do this, and I can click on all four of them just like I just did, and now I have my fillets. I can then go to what we're going to call offset. Offset is right down here. I select the thing I want to offset, which is the whole circumference, and I offset inwards. When I do this, it's going to make the radius offset 3/4 inch from the radius that is out here. That is one option. Some people really like that option if they want this radius to stay the same distance the whole time. Another option that we have, instead of doing it that way, is to take our original board. So in other words, if I come back here to my rectangle, I can take my original and offset it first, still the 3/4 inch. We're going to offset 3/4 inch. 3/4 inch is a nice offset for the juice groove that we use. But then I can come back out, and now I can create my, wrong button, I can create my fillet. Okay, so remember, we already did 1 1/4 inch, and I can fill it here 1 1/4 inch, but I can also come to this one and fill it 1 1/4 inch. What that does is not make them exactly 3/4 inch, but it makes a wider curve on this. This is the method I prefer, and the one I recommend because it typically looks a little better. So once I have this set up to this point, this is now going to be the juice groove of my board. This is my X dimension, this is my Y dimension. But that is how you set up a juice groove in Aspire.